Hi guys, Carl here from Outdoor Vancouver, and today we're hiking to Burnett Falls in Sechelt on the Sunshine Coast. The hike is really short and sweet. It only takes about 15 minutes to reach the falls. The trailhead begins near the Porpoise Bay Provincial Park, so if you're camping there or passing through Sechelt, just want to get out and stretch your legs and do something quick and easy. The Burnett Falls trail is perfect for that. You can do the entire hike in about half an hour. The trail is really scenic, leads through a beautiful section of forest, up alongside a creek, and the trail is suitable for kids and families. It's a wide, well-groomed trail, very slight uphill grade for a few minutes to reach the falls itself. So, short and sweet hike, short and sweet video. That'll be it for today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to see all our latest trail videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.